Come check out this newly renovated beauty in historic Ybor. This is 2923 Ybor Street in Tampa, Florida, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home located, of course, in Ybor Heights. From the spacious 3 bedrooms to the open living spaces, this home has it all. With almost 1,500 square feet of space and tons of natural light, you can see yourself living here immediately. This home has almost everything brand new, from a new metal roof to new air conditioning complete with new ductwork to new framing and piers and drywall and insulation. You'll have zero to worry about for years to come. When you first approach the home, you see its large lot, new concrete driveway, and great front porch. When walking into the front door, you walk into the open living room with 2 bedrooms just off to the right. The kitchen is situated to overlook the living room with the island and bar for extra seating, so you always can be in the action whether entertaining or cooking. The dining room is situated at the front of the home, tucked perfectly into the nook with 3 windows to let in all of that Florida sunshine. The primary bedroom is at the rear of the home, overlooking the roomy backyard with 2 closets and a sizable bathroom complete with dual sinks and a stand-up shower. Check out the attention to detail in this home. From soft close drawers, beautiful tile work, sliding barn doors, plus stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. This home, again, is located right in Ybor and conveniently located to everything Tampa has to offer, but yet not far from the suburbs or the interstates. A stunning example of all that Tampa has to offer. This home will not last. Contact me for your private tour today. Check out more great home tours here and make sure to subscribe for all things Tampa and the suburbs.